back to Kamikaze Collecting. Today I'm going to be doing a mail call, loose figure review, unboxing a figure as well with another review with that. So let's get started. First up, we have a loose Curt Hawkins. Some of you have watched my previous videos and have seen that I actually have an inbox one actually hung up on my wall, so I figured I'd get me a loose one. Alright, this figure comes with, which already has installed a closed fist. Has this one already off, so there's one for each side. Has a gripping hand for each side. Has this kind of like baton type weapon that comes with it. Has his vest, his outfit underneath. Got those logos on it. Very nice figure. Paint detail is pretty nice on it. I'm going to try to get this vest off here, see what it looks like. A little bit of a tight fit. Alright, there we go. A little bit of a tight fit taking the vest off, but once you get it going, it's not too bad. Just don't rush it so you don't break anything or rip the vest. There he is without the vest on. He actually has the tattoo of his daughter's name, Mackenzie. Alright, see how easy it is to put the vest back on. Much easier and faster to put the vest on, first taking the vest off. Not too bad. Let's have the standard bicep and wrist swivels, single elbow, double knee joint. Has the thigh swivel, a little bit of a calf swivel, but not too much, kind of tight. It does have the up and down foot peg. Pretty nice figure. Alright, so let's check out the next figure in this box. That is going to be the Ghostbusters Undertaker. I was actually going to keep this in package, but once I got it, I realized the package is a little bit more damaged than I expected. I didn't request any pictures, so that's actually on me and not the sender. back you have the big picture of Taker. You have Stone Cold, John Cena, The Rock, and HBK. Those are also come in figure forms of this picture. Alright, so let's open this up and take a look at it. Alright. It's interesting, it actually comes with a kind of a slime green champion title. Pull out there and take a closer look at that. It's actually the, correct me if I'm wrong, looks like the Winged Eagle belt. Of course, it doesn't have all the little fine details in it. That's alright. Pretty cool little piece. Here's the Taker figure. It does actually still have his tattoos. They're a little bit hard to see. It's more of the gloss purple. But it's cool they still try to put those on there. There's the ab crunch. There's the bicep swivel. Single elbow. You got the wrist joint, a little bit tight since it's just fresh out of the package. Don't want to press on it too hard and break any pegs. Also has the double knee, thigh swivel, very tight. There we go, calf swivel. Up and down on the foot or the ankle. There he is without his hat. With the hat on. Looks like it's actually meant to go a certain way with this round cutout for the front. There he is with the hat on. Either have him hold the belt, so we get him actually hold this title, not belt. I sorry, get his thumb in the peg hole just enough he can hold. Well, didn't get in there quite enough. Sometimes you can get the thumbs to fit in these peg holes, which is kind of hard to do on this one. Or you can just have them wear it. Or sometimes on some of the other figures I have with a title, I can clip the ends of it together and just slide over the shoulder like that. May actually put it on like this. See how that looks. There we go. Yeah, I like it actually better personally, with him actually wearing it. Alright, and there's the Undertaker again. And Curt Hawkins. Both are really good figures. I like the detail on both of these. It'll be a nice addition to the loose figures I have in my ring that I made. Alright. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Leave a comment below. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit the bell for more notifications. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.